Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your account in the hotels.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the very end, click on the delete account button, and then you can leave a feedback on why you're decided to delete your account. So you can choose multiple one actually, and then just click on the submit button, and then you will get one more notice on why you should stay and what you will lose if you delete your account. But if you still want to do that, click on the permanently delete account button, and you sent your request to delete. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.